Hey everyone, what's up? Aaron Pullman here. I am back with another tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to hack your Nintendo Wii with the Homebrew channel. For this, you'll need an SD card and an SD card reader. Now it doesn't really matter what kind of SD card you have. It could be like a 2 gig, 4 gig, 32 gig, 64 gig. Any one of them will work. Alright guys, here it is, a fresh new Wii to soft mod. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what you want to do is Google letter bomb and it will take you directly to this site. I'll leave a link in the description. Back on the Wii, go into your Wii's settings. Now go to menu 2. Click on Internet. Now click on console information. Okay, as you can see here, this is the console's MAC address. Note that each letter bomb is tailored to each individual Wii based on the MAC address. So remember, use your own MAC address, not mine. Also, make sure your Wii is connected to your same Wi-Fi network. Now, in the squares above, put the MAC address in, just like I did. Down below, tick the box. And below that, where it says to cut the red wire or the blue wire, it doesn't really matter. You're going to get your download either way. Alright. Once it's done downloading, extract and open it up. Now actually take the private folder and actually put that on your SD card. Make sure it's in the root of your SD card. If you already have private on your SD card, temporarily name it private old, then drag over your other private from the Hack Me installer. Now, put your SD card in your Wii. Go into your message board. This should pop up. Click on it to bring up the installation menu. Now, click on Install the Homebrew channel. Now, click on Yes, Continue. Okay. Now that that's done, you have successfully added the Homebrew channel. Now exit out and go to the main menu of the Wii. And there you have it. The Homebrew channel is now on the Wii. Now you can go get a whole bunch of emulators and put them right on here and launch them from the Homebrew channel. You can also add an app called USB Loader GX, which will allow you to back up your GameCube games and your Nintendo Wii games so they can all be digital. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it really informative. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Stay tuned for another how-to video.